Okay students, we have completed haloalkanes and haloarenes. In haloalkanes, you come across so many structures and resonance structures and equations. ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ equations ಅನ್ನ ಕಲಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಕಲ್ತು, then it will be easier for you. Okay, you have to always practice all the structures. So and in haloalkanes and haloarenes, all the notes will be given to you. Notes ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಓದಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ assignment questions will be given to you. You have to answer those questions and submit. That will be informed to you. Okay, next chapter, that is the second chapter of organic chemistry. Alcohols, phenols and ethers. We will start now. Alcohols, phenols and ethers. In this chapter, you are going to study three classes of compounds: alcohols, phenols and ethers. The weightage of this chapter is 7 marks. 2 marks 1 question and 5 marks 1 question. That is question number 15 and question number 33 are from this chapter. Okay, first we will study about alcohols. What is the functional group of alcohols? Alcohols functional group is OH. So what are alcohols? Alcohols are the organic compounds containing OH functional group. They are represented by the general formula. General formula of alcohols is, they are represented by the general formula ROH, where R is alkyl group. Examples for alcohols: methyl alcohol CH3OH, ethyl alcohol C2H5OH, etc. Next, classification of alcohols. So there are two types of classification of alcohols. First classification is based on the number of OH groups present in a molecule, present per molecule of alcohol. So first classification based on the number of OH groups per molecule. OH groups per molecule. So based on the number of OH groups present in a molecule, alcohols are classified into 4 types. They are monohydric alcohols, second one dihydric alcohols, trihydric alcohols, and the fourth one is polyhydric alcohols. First one, monohydric alcohols. Mono means one. So alcohols which contain only one OH group in a molecule, per molecule, are called as monohydric alcohols. Examples for monohydric alcohols: CH3OH, methyl alcohol, contain only one OH group. Ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH, propyl alcohol, etc. are monohydric alcohols. Second one is dihydric alcohols. Di means two. So the alcohols which contain two OH groups in a molecule, per molecule, are called as dihydric alcohols. Examples of dihydric alcohols: ethylene glycol, formula CH2OH, CH2OH. That is ethylene glycol. Next one, trihydric alcohols. Tri means 3. So the alcohols which contain 3 OH groups in a molecule per molecule are called as trihydric alcohols. Examples of trihydric alcohol: CH2OH. So next is CHOH. Next, last terminal carbon, so CH2OH. The name of this compound is glycerol. Now, the last type, fourth type, that is polyhydric alcohols. Poly means many, more than 3. So, the alcohols which contain more than 3 OH groups in a molecule, per molecule, are called as polyhydric alcohols. Examples of polyhydric alcohols: sorbitol. Sorbitol contains 6 OH groups. So, the formula of sorbitol is CH2OH. Next carbon, second carbon is CHOH, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, CHOH, CH2OH. The last terminal carbon is CH2OH. The name of this compound is sorbitol. So these are the 4 types of alcohols based on the number of OH groups per molecule. The next type of classification is based on the type of carbon to which OH group is attached. So that is based on the hybridization of carbon to which the OH group is attached. Second type of classification is based on hybridization of carbon atom to which OH group is attached. So based on the carbon atom to which OH group is attached, there are 2 types of alcohols. First one is compounds containing OH on sp3 hybridized carbon atom, and the second one is compounds containing OH on sp2 hybridized carbon atom. First one, compounds containing OH on sp3 hybridized carbon atom, and the second one is compounds containing OH on sp2 hybridized carbon atom. So first one is compounds containing OH on sp, compounds containing OH on sp3 hybridized carbon atom. So in these compounds, OH is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. sp3 hybridized means it is a saturated carbon atom. That means containing all 4 single bonds. So in this type, OH is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, means saturated carbon atom. So there are 3 types in this. So these compounds are of 3 types. There are 3 types. They are, first one, primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. Primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. Second one is allylic alcohols and the third one is benzylic alcohols. So primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. So what are primary alcohols? Primary alcohols. Primary alcohols means the alcohols in which OH is attached to primary carbon atom. Primary or 1 degree carbon atom. This is 1 degree carbon atom. Primary carbon atom means the carbon atom which is attached to only one other carbon atom. Primary carbon atom means the primary carbon means the carbon which is attached to only one other carbon atom. So primary alcohols are the alcohols in which OH is attached to primary carbon atom. Example, let us complete the valency. CH3, CH2, OH. Ethanol. Ethanol is the example for primary alcohol. Ethanol, propanol, butane, propanol, propane 1-nol, butane 1-nol. These are all primary alcohols. Next one is secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohols are the alcohols in which OH is attached to secondary carbon atom. OH is attached to secondary carbon atom. Secondary means 2-degree carbon atom. What is meant by secondary carbon? Secondary carbon means the carbon atom which is attached to two other carbon atoms is called as secondary carbon atom. So example for secondary alcohol, let us complete the valency. CH3, CH3, here H. So propane 2-ol. This is propane 2-ol is the example for secondary alcohol. Next is tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol. What is tertiary alcohol? The alcohols in which OH is attached to tertiary carbon. What is meant by tertiary carbon? Tertiary carbon, that is 3-degree carbon. Tertiary carbon is the carbon which is attached to 3 other carbon atoms. 3 other carbon atoms. So, the example for tertiary alcohol, let us complete the valency. This is tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. Tert butyl alcohol. IUPAC name of this compound is 2,methyl propane 2-ol is the example for tertiary alcohol. So the next type of this alcohol is, second one is allylic alcohols. What are allylic alcohols? Allylic alcohols are the alcohols in which OH is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. sp3 means saturated carbon atom. sp3 hybridized carbon atom which is present adjacent to carbon-carbon double bond, which is present, sp3 hybrid, OH is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom which is present adjacent to carbon-carbon double bond, that is carbon containing double bond. This is allylic alcohol. Let us complete the valency. CH2, CH2, CH, H. CH2, double bond CH2, CH2, OH. This is allylic alcohol. So, next one more example we can write. CH2, double bond CH2, CH, this is double bond CH, single bond C. These groups, the hydrogen can be other groups also. Let us write CH3. This letter we can write H. This is OH. One more example we can write CH3, CH, CH3 double CH2, double bond CH, single bond C, CH3. This hydrogen also we can substitute with CH3, OH. These are all allylic alcohols. The third type of alcohols is benzylic alcohols, that is compounds containing OH on sp3 hybridized carbon atom. The next is benzylic alcohols.